Hey everybody, so I got a quick electronic haul slash tool haul to do. So please stick around, check out the video. I will do the unboxing in a separate video. It's going to be a short video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be the tool haul video. The unboxing will be in a separate video. The bag on the floor for now. So I ordered these as well as the previous video. These guys in the same order. They just came in separate packages. These are 10 amp stainless steel switches. These are blue 12T, so these are the blue LED instead of the red LED. Just a quick little look. I'm going to do the unboxing in a different video. We're only going to unbox one of them, but this is what the switch looks like. Just a quick little look at it. I already unboxed the red. So we're gonna do a shorter video on the unboxing for these, because on the video I did for the unboxing of the red switch, I actually showed some of the information on Amazon. I got all these from Amazon. So let's get to that video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.